In this video, I'll show you how to replace the ABS sensor on a 2016 Ford Mondeo MK5. I lift the car, remove the wheel, and gain access to the ABS sensor. The sensor is located on the inner side of the wheel hub and is secured with a single 8mm bolt. I remove the bolt using an 8mm socket. Once the bolt is out, the sensor becomes loose. At this point, I use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out. Usually, it comes out fairly easily. Next, I disconnect the wiring. The cable is held in place by a plastic retaining clip and two rubber mounts. These are simply push fit, so you carefully pry them loose. Then we move to the electrical connector. The connector is clipped into a bracket and secured with a locking tab. Before disconnecting it, I strongly recommend cleaning the area thoroughly. There's usually a lot of dirt and sand buildup, which makes disconnecting the plug more difficult. After cleaning, you'll notice a red locking tab on the connector. First, you need to slide or pull this red tab outward to unlock it. Once unlocked, you can press the main plastic release tab and disconnect the plug completely. Now the old sensor is fully removed. For replacement, I purchased a budget ABS sensor from eBay, the cheapest available option at the time. We'll see how long it lasts, but for demonstration purposes, it works perfectly fine. The new sensor comes with a small metal bracket, but I decided not to use it. The original bracket on the vehicle is in very good condition, and it's much easier to reuse it rather than removing and reinstalling the mounting hardware. Installation is simply the reverse process. First, I connect the electrical plug and ensure it clicks securely into place. Then I mount the new ABS sensor into the hub and tighten the 8mm bolt to the correct torque, snug but not over-tightened. Next, I secure the cable back into its original mounting points and clips. Once everything is properly routed and secured, I reinstall the wheel and tighten the wheel bolts.